guys, welcome back to another video. So today's video, I have got a friend mail to share with you. So the lovely Anne-Marie, also known as Annie, also known as Nailforce1 on Instagram and Facebook, has sent me this gorgeous parcel. Now this video has been due out for ages, guys, ages. I'm so sorry, Annie, those took me so long to get this out. As you've probably noticed, I've been getting really behind with my videos just lately, but bitch is now back. I'm back. So she sent me this cute letter. Look at all these crystals. So the first ones, oh, look at the colour shift on them, guys. Look at them. They're like a blue to a purple. Look at them. A lot of you guys know I love chameleon stuff, and they're a bit chameleon-y, aren't they? They're gorgeous. Love them. Oh, wow. Look at these, guys. Look at these. Do you know what these remind me of? The Big Brother eye. Look at them. I've not seen anything like them. They're so cool. And there's clear ones, which is that one there. And then there's the silver. How cool are they? I've not seen anything like that. Wow. Love them. Ooh, I like these. Again, look at the colour shift on those. I have got some of these, but I've only got a tiny amount. I bought a pack of AB crystals a few months ago now from AliExpress, and it was a mixture of all different ABs, and you only get a few of each colour, so I've only got a few of these, so I'm really pleased she sent me all these. Thank you so much, chick. Look at them. Ooh, they're so pretty. And she sent me, what's this one? It's got a little note in it. What does it say? So sorry that all the colours have mixed. I ran out of bags. Oh, no, not to worry, chick. Not to worry at all. Oh, there's some really pretty colours in there as well. Look at them. Look at all those. Oh, and she glitter bombed me too. Thanks for that. Thanks. I've got butterflies everywhere. And I mean everywhere. Ooh, these are pretty. Look at these. Again, look at that colour shift. Oh my days. Oh. I'm going to take these out and have a proper look at them, guys, because they are stunning. Look at them. Wow. Look at the shine on them as well. Oh my days. I love them. Love, love, love them. Look at them shining. I can't wait to do something with those. Beautiful. And she sent me... Oh, there's a variety of these. I'm going to take these ones out as well, guys, because you can't see them when they're like that. Look at all these ones. How gorgeous are they? Super shiny as well. Now these, I've wanted these for so long. Twice now I've ordered a pot of AB crystals with different shapes in. And both times in the picture on AliExpress it showed that it's had these in it. And both times it's turned up and it's not had any of these skulls in it. So I'm so pleased she sent me them. Thank you so much, chick. I've literally wanted them for months and months. Look at them shining. Ooh. Wow, they're beautiful. Then she sent me some Miss You chrome powder, Magic Rose. Ooh, look at that. Again, it's got a colour shift to it. It's like the chameleon. Look how much you get in that pot as well. That is a big pot. Usually with these chrome powders, especially the chameleon ones, you hardly get any. Oh, I can't wait to give that a try. That is stunning. Stunning. Love that. And then lastly, she sent me some gorgeous glitters. Ooh. Look at these. So this one is from Sparkle Supplies. Look at that, guys. Look at that. Gorgeous iridescent pink. Ooh. I think I've just found my new favourite. Look at that. Joker from HCS. That is, oh, why I didn't open this before Halloween, I don't know. That would be gorgeous for Halloween. Wow. Love that. I think that is probably one of my favourite glitters that I own. That is beautiful. Love it. Then we've got more butterflies everywhere. Thank you, Anne-Marie. Then we've got Nail Sugar Gummy Bear. That's a pretty one as well. Look at that. Gorgeous. Nail Sugar Candy Kisses. Oh, I like that as well. Let me get rid of these butterflies. Look at that. Gorgeous. Ooh, this one's pretty as well. Lavender Lights Nail Sugar. See, I'm not keen on iridescent glitters, but I don't mind if they've got some colour to them, which this has. You can usually see when you've got a tiny bit in a corner somewhere like that. You see, like this edge here. Some of them, they lose their colour completely and they just go to like a transparent, but that is keeping its colour. Look at that. That is a really, really nice colour. I love purple anyway. Love purple. And then last but not least, Ultraviolet from Nail Sugar. Ooh. Oh, my days. Look at that. And again, can you see it's not losing its colour? Love that. That is beautiful. Oh, my days. I got so much to play with. Thank you so much, Anne-Marie. You really didn't have to send me all that, bless you. I can't stop looking at this. That is so different, but a gorgeous different. Absolutely stunning. Right, guys, that's everything for this video. I shall leave the link to Anne-Marie's Instagram and Facebook in my description box below. Please head over there and give her a follow if you don't already know her. She is a really, really talented nail artist. She creates some beautiful nails. So if you don't know her, guys, please head over there and give her a follow. So that's everything for this video. I want to say a massive thank you to Anne-Marie for sending me this. Bless your heart. Thank you so much. You've sent me some gorgeous, gorgeous goodies. Can't wait to have a play with it all. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I'd love it if you would. Don't forget to hit the little notification bell with your notifications turned on. That way you'll never miss an upload. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care.